In this video, I'll provide an overview of inheritance. In this code example, an inheritance relationship between the shirt class and its parent, the clothing class, is defined. The keyword extends, circled in blue, creates the inheritance relationship. As a result, shirt objects share the display and set size methods of the clothing class. Although these methods aren't actually written in the shirt class, they may be used by all shirt objects. Therefore, the code in the bottom frame that creates a new shirt object and uses the setSize method can be successfully compiled and run. It will work. Here are some more facts about inheritance. The parent class is the superclass, in this example, clothing. The child class is the subclass, in this example, shirt. And a subclass may have unique fields and methods not found in the superclass. The subclass not only has access to all of the public fields and methods of the superclass, but it can declare additional fields and methods that are specific to its own requirements. This table shows a set of behaviors for some classes belonging to an application for Duke's Choice shopping cart, the shirt class and the trousers class. The classes are shown fully encapsulated so that all field values are accessible only through setter and getter methods. Notice how both classes use many of the same methods, for example, getID, getPrice, and so on. This may result in code duplication, making maintenance and further expansion more difficult and error-prone. If Duke's Choice decides to add a third item, socks, as well as trousers and shirts, you may find even greater code duplication. This diagram shows only the getter methods for accessing the properties of the new objects. 3 instances of getID, 3 instances of display, and so on. Fortunately, you can eliminate code duplication in the classes by implementing inheritance. Inheritance lets programmers put common members, fields, and methods in one class, the superclass, and have other classes, the subclasses, inherit these common members from this new class. The benefits are that there's less duplication of code, and code modification can be done one time for all subclasses. An object instantiated from a subclass behaves as if the fields and methods of the subclass were in the object. For example, the shirt class can be instantiated and have the getPrice method called, even though the shirt class doesn't contain a getPrice method. The trousers class can be instantiated and have the display method called, even though the trousers class doesn't contain a display method. And the socks class can be instantiated and have the getID method called, even though the socks class doesn't contain getID. They're all inherited from the clothing class.